So I'm sure you're wondering a few things, like what is that new shelf on my YouTube home screen? And what is that new YouTube Shorts that everyone is talking about? Well, Google just added a new feature to YouTube. Well, some people would say Google's answer to TikTok. So what is YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts is a new video experience that lets you create short videos right from the YouTube mobile app. You can create short 15-second videos that are easily discoverable on the YouTube homepage in the new YouTube Shorts shelf, as well as across other parts of the app. But if you don't have access to the Shorts camera yet, you can still upload your existing videos as long as they meet these requirements. So in order for it to be eligible for the YouTube Shorts, they have to be in a vertical format, they have to be under 60 seconds, and they should contain the hashtag Shorts in the video title or the description. But why should you create a video for YouTube Shorts? So the main benefit for YouTube Shorts is, unlike all the other YouTube videos, YouTube Shorts videos don't get suggested by audience retention, likes, views and other things like that. They get suggested at random. So channels with a few hundred views can get suggested by a channel with millions of views, and it has happened. So I'll be testing this new feature out by firstly remaking this video so that it's eligible for YouTube Shorts, and secondly by posting videos that are eligible for YouTube Shorts every now and again.